No spot roll, is it? No.
Hardwood. What kind is it?
Hardwood. Swing that thing.
I know.
Red oak. Your dad says it's red oak.
Yeah, it does look red. It is
Feet should be coming off the ground when you swing that.
Here, try that one Josh is working at.
So that one?
Oh, no, never mind. Bad idea.
Solid stuff.
Almost done with it.
I want to see Brent try.
Yeah, Brent.
Oh, Josh just about got hit.
What?
That's a good hit there. You're getting it, Gage. Good job.
You gotta hit it down the same spot.
I'm trying to.
I'm getting them both splitting in this one.
This is what they do when they come to Michigan.
It's a race. It's a race.
No wonder why they love coming. Whoa.
That was a good hit. That was another good hit. I think you'll get somewhere you keep doing
Yeah,
that.
they love it.
Uh-oh. I think it's coming.
Right from the camera.
Ooh, that one almost sounded good. Oh!
Oh, jeez.
Ow! Maybe we should
save,
separate
Gage.
them a little bit.
Yeah.
Josh,
Be careful, dude. You were on a roll. Where? Hold up. Hold up.
Darn it.
That was your line. Hit right in there.
Here. Why don't we move that? Darn it.
I can see it. Okay, hold on, Josh.
No.
I'm just gonna move it over here. You guys are a little close.
Yeah, something flies off. Come on, please.
Kill.
Getting a workout, Gage.
Yeah. Watch out, Dad.
You can earn all that video game time you've been taking lately. Have at her.
They don't know it, but
Oh
they're
man, I
working.
think you're gonna get it. You do have to hit it at the same spot.
Oh!
I won.
Oh, that little toothpick.
Wood, I got rock solid wood.
Rock solid wood.
It's rock solid on top.
It kinda is.
He's hitting it.
Well, I'd hate to depend on him to keep warm.
He's gonna have a heart
Who needs the
attack.
fire?
He's warm. The rest of us will freeze to death.
Now if you work hard enough, he'll warm up. You running out of gas?
He's out again.
Yeah. I'll take a swing at it.
Take a swing. Same goes for you. You break the handle, you go.
Oh no. I get one free handle.
One free handle.
Especially applies to brothers.
Hey, you're right in the fire.
Nice. Fell right in the
That's how I
fire.
do it.
Why waste that energy? There's a big old knot there. That's not a good place.
Jeez.
Turn that thing. Yeah, there's a big knot there.
This is dedicated to
Big knot there,
one
too.
of those.
That's a good.
See
Good
the
going.
magic spot.
Where?
That's on you.
Oh yeah, that's the one.
Oh yeah, there it goes. There she goes.
Ta-da!
See there,
Yeah,
Gage?
you had him working on a knot.